Professor Ravindra Kulkarni, Vice Chancellor, University of Mumbai. Dr. Prashant Naravani, Secretary to the Governor. C.S. Ramamurthy, Deputy Secretary to the Governor. Professor Ajay Bhavane, Pro Vice Chancellor of the University. The Registrar of the University, Senior Officers of the University, members and faculty and cultural coordinators of the University, dear students and artists. आज हम इस शुभ कण भारत स्थापना दिवस मनाने जा रहे हैं और मना रहे हैं लोक भवन में। सबको मेरा शुभकामनाएं and my good wishes that you are all from your home state is Bihar, the land of vibrant wisdom, where culture, art and philosophy all come together and contributes to the history of this great land and looks forward to a very Viksit Bharat by 2047. I would like to convey my sincere thanks to the Honorable Governor of Bihar, Lieutenant General Retired Syed Atta Hussain, for sending his good message to us on this occasion. I was extremely happy to see the beautiful cultural presentation made by the students of this university. And मुझे तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा और हरदम मुझे अच्छा लगता है बिहार का नृत्य, बिहार का संगीत बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है मुझे। इसमें एक क्या है, जोश है। There is a josh in the Bihari culture, as we say. And Bihar has reached out far and wide. You will find the people in Bihar and northeast also, from where I come. I come from a small state known as Tripura. There also, Chhat Puja is done with great enthusiasm and vigor. और मैं गवर्नर था हैदराबाद का, I was governor of तेलंगाना, मैं तेलंगाना राज्य का राज्यपाल था और उधर भी हम मनाते थे ये सब स्टेट फॉर्मेशन डे। और वहां पे मैं देखता था बेस्ट डे होता था बिहार डे। द बेस्ट डे वाज ऑलवेज बिहार फॉर्मेशन डे। तो नेक्स्ट टाइम हम जब मनाएंगे, हम बिहार की जो चित्रकला है उसको भी देखेंगे हम नेक्स्ट टाइम। मधुबनी आर्ट और बहुत सारे आर्ट है आप लोग के, जैसे एक आर्टिस्ट ने बनाया है इधर पे, मैंने देखा बहुत अच्छा सुंदर बनाया है। सो बिहार में इतना कुछ है। बिहार इंस्पायर्स द नेशन through its history, through its culture, through its music, through its literature. It has been the home of so many philosophies, Jainism, Buddhism, and as the governor was saying, it is the land of Nalanda, of Aryabhata, you name it, and Bihar has got it. And I am very happy to find that so many of students from Bihar are here in Mumbai University. And the concept of this State Promotion Day is the concept of Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat. To highlight that Bharat with all its diversity and all its colors are but one in consciousness. As a nation, we are one. Whether it is Northeast, Bihar, East, South, Tamil Nadu, or Jammu and Kashmir, or Gujarat, or West Bengal, We are one in spirit. And not today only. We are one in spirit many, many years back, thousands of years back. And this is what this formation day is for. To highlight the fact that अनेकता में एकता है. One in many and many in one. And that has always been the philosophical idea of India. One in many and many in one. Because we are all held together by a commonality, that is the Indian civilization. भारत की जो सभ्यता है उससे हम जुड़े हुए हैं. हम कश्मीर जाए या कन्याकुमारी, गुजरात जाए या आसाम, हम जुड़े हुए हैं. As the governor was saying, Governor of Bihar was saying very nicely, that Bihar is the mother place of all democracies. This democracy began with the Buddhist Sanghas. संघ वो है जहां पर बुद्धिस्ट कम्युनिटी एक साथ रहते हैं, उसको क्या बोलते हैं बुद्धिस्ट लोग? संघ बोलते हैं. और उस संघ में क्या होते थे? चुनाव होते थे. There was a parliamentary procedure. इसलिए हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर, प्रधानमंत्री, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री ने बार बार कहते हैं, we are not the oldest or the largest democracy. बोलते हैं ना, भारत is the largest democracy. We are the mother of all democracies. हम गणतंत्र के जननी हैं. और वो कहां से आई? बिहार से. So we look forward to a Bihar that is strong, that is vibrant. And हमारे प्रधानमंत्री बार बार बोलते हैं, हम बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में, we have to remake India. रीमेक करना कुछ नहीं है. We have to regenerate. Regenerate using modern methods. ज्ञान कभी पुराना नहीं होता. Knowledge never outdated. It can be updated. It may require updation. New technologies come, new concepts come, new perceptions come. ऐसे ही बढ़ता है. So from Bihar, there is so much to learn. And Bihar too has to learn so much. You are in Mumbai. This is the financial capital of one of the strongest or the strongest rising economy in the world. It is for you to experience and see and find out why Mumbai is rising so much. Why is it the financial capital of our nation? Because Bihar too must use its past knowledge, its past experience, its past strength to regenerate itself. And we can see the regeneration taking place. आज मैं जहां भी जाता हूं, त्रिपुरा में मैं मंत्री था और उधर मैं देखता था कि जो आईएएस ऑफिसर, आईपीएस ज्यादा से ज्यादा बिहार में है. At least 70-80% of the IAS officers and IPS officers in Tripura are from Bihar. कल मैं सेक्रेटरी साहब से जोकिंग नहीं बोल रहे थे, बिहार आप देखना चाहते हैं तो त्रिपुरा आ जाइए. That means Bihar is doing very well. मैं हैदराबाद में था और डॉक्टर मैंने देखा. हैदराबाद इज मेडिकल हब बन गया अभी, मेडिकल हब. उसमें सारे डॉक्टर, ज्यादा से ज्यादा डॉक्टर बंगाल से या बिहार से. उधर के जो हैदराबाद के, तेलंगाना के जो बड़े बड़े अफसर है वो भी बिहार से. देयर इज अ regeneration taking place. And I would ask and hope and pray that all you students will be part of the generation, of the regeneration taking place in our nation. हम केवल एक देश नहीं है, हम राष्ट्र है. We have a thought, a philosophy. एक देश के बाद क्या होता है? They have foreign affairs and they have economy, they have defense systems. तो बार बार मैं राष्ट्र ये बोल रहा हूँ कि इंडिया के पास सब कुछ ये है. We have a foreign policy, we have a defense ministry, we have prime minister, we have president, and above all that, we have a thought, we have knowledge. That is the concept of Rashtra, of having a civilization, having a knowledge which can share with the world. So I hope and pray that all of you will be part of this sharing of this knowledge in making life better for every man, especially the last man standing on the last step. Be a part of the revolution that is taking place. We have this idea that revolution माने क्या है? झंडा में डंडा लगा और घूमो. विशेष करके हमारे जो ईस्ट में है हम वही रेवोल्यूशन करते हैं. मैं भी ईस्ट से आता हूँ, नॉर्थ ईस्ट से. और रेवोल्यूशन माने झंडा में डंडा लगा और स्लोगन दो. वो रेवोल्यूशन नहीं है, वो नाराबाजी है. Revolution must bring change, must bring regeneration. That is revolution. Revolution that disrupts. Disruption cannot be revolution. So I wish you all the best. मेरा शुभकामनाएं फिर से. आप अच्छे रहे, अच्छे करें, आपके बिहार के नाम रोशन करें. It is one of those most important states of this country, of our nation, and I wish you all a very, very happy and my wishes for the future on this state formation day of Bihar. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.